Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly add your signature in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft Excel and I'm going to add my signature right here. If we want to add signature, we can go to the insert menu and go to the illustration, select shapes, and here you can choose the scribble line. Okay, then you can just draw your signature just like this. Okay, and as you can see that my signature has been added to this Excel document. Alright guys, and that's all the way to quickly add signature in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.